Is your Chery Tiggo 7 Plus key fob not working? It's likely a dead battery. The fix is simple: a CR232 battery and basic tools like a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently insert your tool to pop the case open, applying even pressure. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure it's aligned correctly. Snap the case back together and test the functions. Remember to work on a non-conductive surface. If it still doesn't work, there may be a circuit board fault requiring dealer repair. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, check for bent battery contacts inside the case. Colder climates can shorten battery life, so keep an eye on your key fob, especially during winter months. Some newer 2023-2025 Chery Tiggo 7 Plus models feature a battery saver mode that reduces remote range to conserve power. Looking ahead, key fobs are trending towards rechargeable batteries, with USB-C charging in future Chery models, and even wireless charging. By 2030, expect smart keys with biometric authentication, potentially phasing out batteries entirely. For now, a quick battery swap is the most common fix. DIY replacement saves you around 80% compared to dealer prices. If in doubt, refer to your Chery owner's manual or consult a certified tutorial.